Let us consider a problem. Compute 8-point DFT of sequence xn, that will be 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. The input sequence using the radix 2 DIT algorithm, find out the intermediate stages. So what is the solution? The basic butterfly operation of DIT algorithm, that is, if A is taken as A and P, the corresponding input, and Tweedle factor, that is multiplication. So multiplication will be A plus B omega n k and A minus B omega n k, where omega n k, that is the Tweedle factor, and value of k, that is n equal to k equal to nt by 2 to the power m. M is the number of stage and t value is 0 1 2 3 4 and n is the number of DFT. So the value of Tweedle factor for 8-point DFT, that is omega 80, that value is 1. Omega 8 1, that value is 0.707 minus j 0.707. Omega 8 2 value, that is minus j, and omega 8 3, that value is 0.707 minus and minus j 0.707. And in case of DIT, first input sequence arrange as a bit reversal form and output will be taken as a sequential form. So bit reversal here required. Bit reversal, that is for 0, that is 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 2 0 1 0 3 0 1 1 4 1 0 0 5 1 0 1 6 1 1 0 7 1 1 1. So taken the mirror image of the same. One 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1. So corresponding value, that is 0 4 2 6 1 5 3 and 7. So that is the bit reversal taken in account. And so number of stage, that is for 8-point DFT, that is 2 to the power m. So here that 8 point, that is 2 to the power 3. So number of stage, that is 3. So 3 stage operation is required and corresponding multiplication, that is AB, like this. So now the input sequence in order arrange in order to bit reversal form, and the value, corresponding value, that is xn equal to only x0 value is 1 and rest of that is 0. So will. So the input sequence in order to x0 bit reversal form. Next part, that is x4, next x2, x6, x1, x5, x3 and x7. So corresponding value, that is 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So draw the straight line. And multiplication will be in order to A and B, like this. So first stage multiplication, that is divided into 3 stages, that is stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3. So first stage operation is like this, and this value is omega 8 0. That value is 1. So the value of A and B, that is 1 and 0. So multiplication will be A plus B omega nk. Nk, that is omega 8 0. That value is 1. So 1 plus 0 into 1, that is 1. And this value is 1 minus 0 into 1, that is 1. So similarly for the next step, that will be omega 8 0. So both values are 0. So this will be multiplication will be 0. Similarly for both are 0. So this will be also 0. And similarly that is also 0. So this is the first stage operation, stage 1 complete operation. And for stage 2, that will be just like A and B. This will be omega 8 0. So value of A, that is 1, value of B, that is 0. So this multiplication will be 1 and 1. So similarly that is omega 8 2. So A value is 1, B value is 0. So multiplication here, B value is 0. So A value is only 1 and 1. So similarly for stage 2 operation, omega 8 0. So both are 0. So this value also 0. This is omega 8 2. So both value is 0. So both are 0. So this is the complete operation of stage 2. Okay. So the last stage, that is stage 3. For stage 3, the multiplication will be like this. This is omega 8 0, and value of A, that is 1, and value of B, that is 0. So multiplication will be 1 and 1. So similarly for next step, that is omega 8 1. So this value is 1, this value is 0, so that will be multiplication will be 1 and 1. So similarly this Tweedle factor value, that is omega 8 2. So this value is 1 and this value is 0. So multiplication will be 1 and 1. So for the last case, this is omega Tweedle factor omega 8 3. So this value is 1 A, this is value is 0 B. So multiplication will be 1 and 1. So the output of the DIT algorithm, that is in sequential manner. So that will be x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6 and x7. So all value are 1. So the output sequence, that will be written as 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So that is the answer of the DIT algorithm method. So if we perform FFT using DIF, that will becomes the same result. So the input sequence for xn 1 0 0 0 0 0 0, the output of the sequence is like xk 1 1 1. This is the complete calculation of intermediate stage, and finally we found the output all value of 1 in 0 to 7. So thank you for watching the video.